Hey guys, hope you're doing well.
So, today we are going to Italy! This is my first layover and I am really excited. We are on a flight, we'll be there in an hour. See you there! So, let's enter. This is my room for the night. It's a 28-hour layover. I changed, I took a bath, but the pre-ritual starts now. Let's wash my face, skincare. This is an important part of my daily life. We wear makeup for the whole flight, and then our skin is dry because of the temperature, pressurization, and it becomes really dry. So, skincare is a must. I thought of today going to Bergamo, like the place where I have a layover, but I slept for only 2 hours before this flight. To let you know, I had a off, but before that off, I had a night flight. So my sleep cycle a little bit has changed, so I could not sleep. I slept around 2 in the morning and then I came here for the flight early, which was around 6:30. So I slept for hardly 2 hours because I had to wake up at 4:30 to get ready and then come here to the office. Not here, to the office. So I slept for hardly 2 hours. So I was thinking, instead of going to Bergamo, I will take a short nap and just relax for a while. I don't want to open the bag again in the morning because I'm planning to going to Milan. It's roughly 2 hours away from Bergamo by train, including a bus ride. So I don't want to open this bag again. So I just pull out all the stuff which I need for tomorrow to get ready. Now I will go to bed, rest for like 3-4 hours, take a good sleep, but I'm hungry too. What to do? Sleep or rest? Sleep or rest? I guess little bit of sleep and then food. But the hotel is cozy. Okay, I slept. I woke up after an hour. I made some coffee for me. I could not sleep again because I was hungry. And I was watching YouTube videos to see where I can visit tomorrow. I ordered something, but I'm waiting. I'm hungry. Please come fast. Oh my god, my food is here. I'm hungry. 219. Let's see there. I'll show you what it looks like. Oh my god, why? You done? So, it's huge. It's bigger than my face. Whatever it is, it smells good. Let's see how it tastes. Let's watch something. Bye bye. It's 8:30, almost 8:30. You see outside, it's bright. OMG. I guess I'm going to have trouble sleeping. let's see. Enjoying my pizza yet? It's something to watch. Let's see. Bye. Here I woke up after a nap. It was 2 hours, but I had something to eat, so let's get ready for bed. Do the daily skincare, brush your teeth, and I'm excited for tomorrow. I'm going to visit the major places in Milan. You will get to see further. It's a historical place. I'll enjoy some Italian pasta and thinking of buying something like a souvenir or something, but let's see. It's cold. The water is cold. It's cold. I turned the AC down because in Bergamo it is raining. It is really raining, so it's cold outside. And let's get ready for bed. Good morning, guys. So, these are my crew together. We are going to Bergamo. First, we are going to take the bus, which is behind the hotel, which will take us to the Bergamo railway station here. And we will take a train from here to Milano Central. It took 20 minutes for us to come here, but it's near the airport. Here is our train, which will take us to Milano Central. It's a little bit sunny today, little bit hot, but better than Sharjah. This ride made me feel like I'm going to, visit some of my home place or hometown in India. I felt really like that. Finally, we are at Milano Central. My feet already hurts. Thanks I'm doing for good pictures, but it's okay. The railway station itself is huge. You see the ceiling? Ceiling, it goes like you have to tilt your head all the way to up to just look at the top. It's beautiful. No one would say that it is a railway station. It looks like a palace already. It's beauty.
So here we are at the Milano Central. We'll go out.
There are little coffee shops, something to eat. We are taking a scooter, which I'm driving from Milano Central to the first place, which is Duomo Cathedral. It's already a vibe here. Oh my god, see. It's a huge cathedral. Okay, let's join them. So we are hungry already. So we are going to a rooftop restaurant. It's called Aperol. Yes, Aperol. It's a famous alcoholic brand here. We're gonna take some pasta. And here we are at the marketplace. Here you will find all the big brands. Like you can see at the back there is Prada, Louis Vuitton, YSL. People buy it, okay? Dior. It's huge and it's pretty.
It's good?
I told you, it doesn't look like we are at a marketplace. It looks like we are already in a palace or someone else's house, or king's or queen's house. Yeah, that's where I looked for something to buy, like a souvenir, but I did not find anything good. This place is totally a vibe. There is basking going around here. People are playing instruments, music, dancing. There are a lot of people. It's also a little bit hot because yesterday it was raining. Yeah, like it's near Bergamo, but still. This made me remember Mumbai. Indians know it, especially Mumbaikars know it, what I'm talking about. Here we again took a train from Milano Central to Bergamo, and now we are going back to the hotel because it's 5 already. We have a flight back to Sharjah at 9:30, but we need rest. It's better we come early so that we can rest a little bit, get fresh, and be ready for the flight. It's a night flight, so it will be fine. People will be sleeping mostly, and I don't think service will be a bigger part here. But still, my feet hurts like crazy. I have shoe bites on my toes because of that. But this is Bergamo, which I was talking about visiting yesterday. It's beautiful. It's a whole heritage place, but it's expensive. It is expensive, but it's okay. My whole trip costed around like 200 or 100 euros. Not that much. 100 euros, not also 200, 100 euros. But it was okay. Being for the first time here and not knowing about what to do, where to go, but still find a way, and that too going alone out. That's like a big thing for me. Now we are going back to the airport, and see, you can see that thunder there. So it is a bit of a rainy weather here. Now we will cross the immigration, go to the departure gate, and then be ready for the flight. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. This was my point of view of sharing my adventure to Italy. But stay tuned for more such videos. Until then, stay safe, stay happy, and peace out.